It's this, there's a bar, like, yeah, I'll show you. There's this, so these bolts here, they're up here, right? What is this and why is it there? I'm sure it's for something important, but it means that I've got to use this anyway. So that's the bolt I'm trying to get off. This is actually probably the worst one out of all of them. Me out, but yeah. Anyway, how's that? Just hanging about mud. Right, so it's off like that. And this is why I don't mind destroying the bull bar. I'd rather replace the bull bar than not attend to things like this. You know, all this. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm using the zoomed out angle, so it really doesn't sell it. Yeah, here we go. Like, all this, like, you know, I really want to get into this and, you know, get what I can't find out of this, because if I don't do this now, this 35-year-old car in 10 years' time is done. So, anyway.
Always got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got
Alright, that gives me some pretty good access, doesn't it? Label everything that I take off just to make sure that everything goes back where it's meant to be. If I can leave screws on the car, I will. Like a couple of these headlight screws actually can just stay there. Stuff like this. He's had it. Look at that. This will get a full respray, paint that nice and vivid white. I got this off. Pretty good. I just want to give it a good clean. I'm going to be careful not to wreck this because it already looks wrecked and it probably is. Ew. Front end off. I spent ages cleaning all the mud out from the underside, taking off undercarriage protection, mud, everything. I found a really good idea, which was with the chassis rails. They've got these holes in them here. Now what I did is I stuck the hose in it just so I could flush water through it, but I wasn't budging any of the mud, so I actually got a yellow tongue and put a little bend on it and stuck it in there and was just able to slowly shuffle down the chassis rails and get rid of what I think pretty much all the mud. So I think I've cleaned all the mud out. I mean, all the mud's just gone down the road, but like all of this is out of it now, so I think it's pretty clean now. I think I'm going to try and get a hoist to rust treat and paint the underside. I think it's just going to be turns a back-breaking exercise into a day's work. So yeah, good hustle.